M22 drone operation tutorial. Remove products and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before flying. Connect the battery. Connect power supply. The red light flashes during charging. Remote control charging demonstration. Connect remote control. Connect power supply. The blue light stays on during charging. Automatically turn off when fully charged. Preparation before flight. First, unfold the drone arm. Installing drone batteries. Insert memory card. Place the drone horizontally. Long press the power button to turn on the drone. Turn on the remote control switch again. The remote control will automatically adjust the frequency of the drone. Waiting for screen image transfer connection. Alter A calibration gyroscope. Push up the left joystick to unlock the drone. Push up again to take off. One-click takeoff. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Back off. Fly on the left side. Fly on the right side. Speed switch beeps to low gear. The beeping sound is in medium gear. Beep, beep, beep 3 times for high-speed gear. Press the obstacle avoidance button. Drone starts obstacle avoidance. Press the roll button and toggle the right joystick. Unmanned aerial vehicle capable of 360-degree rolling. Electric camera adjustment. Press the fine-tuning button to enter fine-tuning. If the aircraft deviates to the left, it will turn to the right. Move backward and forward. Exit fine-tuning mode. One-click landing. Light switching. Remote control screen function buttons. Short press to take a photo. Short press to record video. Screen brightness adjustment. Replace the fan blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the fan blade screws and remove the fan blade. Pay attention to distinguishing between A and B labels. Install the corresponding fan blades onto it.